version of PUBG? How can I download it? Well, I'm here to show you how. Okay, you go into your internet browser and you search up PUBG Lite. Then you click the first link on the page and you will reach this page over here. Before you click download, you need to create an account. You click account over here. Now you click create my account. You enter your email address, you confirm your email address, you enter your password, you confirm your password, your date of birth, and you tick this box over here. And then you click create my account. And now you go back to the previous page and you click download. When you click download, now you click save the file. Then when the file has been downloaded, you will see this set up. You open this. Now you select your language. You click next, accept the agreement, next. You create a desktop shortcut, and then next and install. When the setup is done, you will see this launcher on your desktop. You open this launcher and you will be greeted with this. Now you enter your email address, the one that you used for the account, and your password. And when you log in, you will see this over here. For you, this button will appear as install. All you need to do is click it. Sometimes this launcher will stop midway and close on itself, but you need not worry, because when you open it again, you will resume your download directly from where it stopped. And when the download is done, you just click start and voila, you can play the game.